embracing the philosophy of integrity gathers in strength and tolerance brings respect. Hangzhou Jinjiang Group, founded in 1983, having experienced 35 years of development and 3 industrial adjustments in historic changes and opportunities since the reform and opening up, is now a large enterprise group gaining international influence. Our main businesses are green energy, non-ferrous metal, and new chemical material, complemented by trade and financial services. Jinjiang Environment is the first Chinese private enterprise investor in green energy, a pace-setter in waste-to-energy industry of China, and also an enhancer that integrates the application of fluidized bed technology with great furnace technology. In 1992, Jinjiang established the first private power plant. In 1998, shouldering the responsibility of protecting the environment and developing national economy, Jinjiang worked closely with Zhejiang University and Chinese Academy of Sciences in industrial and research cooperation, and built China's first incineration power plant with proprietary intellectual property rights. In 2006, President Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, CPC Central Committee, then Party Secretary of Zhejiang Provincial Committee, and Jia Qinglin, a member of the Standing Committee of the Political Bureau of the Communist Party and Chairman of the National Committee of the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference, CPPCC, inspected Institute for Thermal Power Engineering of Zhejiang University, donated by Jinjiang. They praised Jinjiang as a unique style of Zhejiang University and Chinese experience. In 2016, Jinjiang Environment was listed on the Singapore Exchange. Jinjiang Environment established the first national prize in household garbage incinerator power generation technology, jointly built China's only national engineering laboratory for waste incineration and equipment, and participated in the formulation of 18 national standards, making China a major pole in waste incineration treatment in the world. Nowadays, Jinjiang Environment has factories all over the world, including China, Southeast Asia, and the Americas region. On the journey of environmental protection, with waste power generation as its core, Jinjiang is developing integration of environment and sanitation, restaurant and kitchen swill disposal, sludge disposal, hazardous waste treatment, biomass power generation, so as to become the largest global integrated service provider in environmental governance. Jinjiang Non-Ferrous Metal is one of the most environmentally friendly non-ferrous metal industry groups in China, with the most optimal mechanism and the lowest energy consumption to reduce China's heavy dependence of alumina on imports. Jinjiang Cayman Aluminum began construction in 2003, and it later became the first private aluminum enterprise in China. Jinjiang Non-Ferrous Metal is forging an intelligent enterprise with the world's most advanced technology and favorable technical cost. It became the first pilot project for aluminum smart manufacturing issued by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, and a trial project of standard implementation of the administrative system for integration of manufacturing industry and internet. It successfully transformed itself from manufacturing to smart manufacturing, setting an example in the industry. Jinjiang Non-Ferrous Metal has already become one of the 3 largest alumina stock suppliers in China, with exchangeable alumina ranking first in the domestic market. Leveraging advantages in its mechanism, Jinjiang Non-Ferrous Metal actively engaged in state-owned enterprises mixed ownership reform, partnering with central enterprises and state-owned enterprises such as Aluminum Corporation of China, Henan Energy Group, Inner Mongolia Mining Group, Zhengzhou Coal Group. Jinjiang carried out deep cooperation to jointly promote the development of aluminum industry in China. Jinjiang is actively carrying out international production capacity cooperation In October 2013, the contract signing of Jinjiang Industrial Park project in Indonesia was witnessed by Chinese President Xi Jinping and Indonesian President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. Jinjiang entering chemical industry with circular economy model. After 10 years of construction, Guangxi Tiandong project has become the largest industrial park of circular economy in southwest China. The Xinjiang Huitun project has become the largest fertilizer enterprise in Xinjiang and a successful case promoted in Xinjiang production and construction core. In 2008 and 2011, Wu Bangguo, member of the Standing Committee of the Political Bureau of the CPC Central Committee, chairman of the National People's Congress Standing Committee, visited the Jinjiang Industrial Park in Tiandong, Guangxi Province for 2 times. He highly praised Jinjiang as a Chinese model in circular economy. Today, Jinjiang Chemical is marching towards high-tech new materials, facing the situation that China's optical films, such as polarizers, are 90% dependent on imports. Jinjiang is gaining extensive presence in the industry through introducing foreign technology and integrating industrial resources. In 2013, Jinjiang restructured Huadong Aluminum, which was founded in 1958, the largest electrolytic aluminum smelter in East China at that time. Under Jinjiang's leadership, Huadong transformed itself from a traditional manufacturer into a modern one and sprouted into an industrial park of optical film, setting a shining example of Chinese large enterprises in restructuring and upgrading. In 2016, Jinjiang and Taiwan Chimei introduced the technology of Japan Nitto and established the world's first 2.5-meter ultra-wide polarizer production line in Kunshan, building the most advanced, efficient, and intelligent polarizer factory in the world. Now Jinjiang's market share in optical film is rapidly increasing. It is now the strategic supplier for many top global brands including BOE, CSOT, Samsung, and LG. Our vision is to form the world's largest optical film industrial cluster in 5 years. Through building a trade and logistics system supported by the real industry and a large financial ecosphere, Jinjiang achieved the coordinated development of industry, trade and finance driven by multiple factors. As a responsible corporate citizen, Jinjiang Group have served the country with industries and made China beautiful by bolstering the real economy. Based on industries, with friends and neighbors at the center, Jinjiang has actively participated in programs for public good, contributed to the local economy and people's livelihood, and secured their well-being. By now, we have donated over 100 million yuan in total. Based on years of practice and exploration in public welfare programs, Zhejiang Jinjiang Group Foundation was financed and founded in 2018 by our company. In our first aid program, we contributed 30 million yuan to Lenshi to promote equality in the love of learning and help local people to build internet-based education. Jinjiang Group also established Sunset Fund for its retirees to build a better life for all employees. Jinjiang believes integrity gathers strength and tolerance brings respect. Jinjiang employees are willing to motivate themselves and embrace changes. Jinjiang has strategic partners, industrial partners, resource partners, and business partners. These 4 partner systems have brought our smallest units of motive power into play. Jinjiang welcomes you to make progress, share values, and create a better life with us.